Audi A3 2010, I think is the car. AA been here and advised the customer that it's a faulty ignition barrel. But whenever on these cars the key just doesn't turn or it's stuck, it's not the ignition barrel, which would be the black thingy, is the steering lock, is the silver thingy, is the one that goes behind the ignition barrel. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on and replace this. This one is the old one, the faulty one, and this one will be the new one. So I'm gonna use the same ignition barrel, and obviously the customer will have same key. Not gonna replace the key and put it into the new one. Trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me please. No. Oh, okay. Shit. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Nope. I need two hands. Sorry about that. This is the faulty one. This is the one I've put the ignition barrel back. So this is how it should work. Yeah. When you take the key out, that pops up. Turn ignition on, that goes down. Yeah. Take the key out, put the key in. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Ta-da! Haha. Audi A1, A3, A4, Volkswagen Polo, Volkswagen Caddy, Volkswagen Golf. Same problem. Skoda Octavia, Skoda Fabia. Again, same problem. So if you know someone that owns one of those, let them know. I can help. They might say thank you. Bye.